Get her out of my sight.
No, no, I swear. No, he can fly.
See,
Hey, I can fly.
He can fly.
He can fly. He can talk. That's right, fool. Now I'm a flying, talking donkey. You might have seen a house fly, maybe even a super fly, but I bet you ain't never seen a donkey fly.
see.